Hi, I'm Azzy. Thank you for joining me. Using the ScanNCut, I'm going to show you how to use the alignment function on the object edit screen. So if we go into patterns, into basic shapes, I'm just going to use a rectangle, set it to the mat, bring it to the center here, go into edit, object edit, and first of all I'm going to reduce the size of it. So just take it down to about 1.5 inches. This is just to show you as an example, but you would use it with the sizes that you're using in your project when you do it. Say OK, and then let's duplicate that to 5 and say OK. So now we've got 5 rectangles on our mat. From here we can see this is the alignment function is not lit up, because to align objects you need 2 or more, but here we've only got 1 lit up. So we need to go into OK, into select, select all, say OK, object edit and align. It's lit up now. So if we tap on here, and then we've got all these other functions that we can use within the alignment function. So for these top 4 here, wherever this line is where all of these will line up, all the objects will line up. So that'll be to the very left of the most left item, and the same for the right. For the top it'll be to the very top item, and for the bottom it'll be to the bottom here. So if we go on the left one, they've all gone to the left. If we come back, they've all gone to the right, and then they'll all line up to the top there, come back, and then all line up to the bottom down there and come back. These 2 buttons here allow us to align these objects either horizontally or vertically. So if I tap on horizontally, it's put them all horizontal. If we go back and then tap on vertical, it's put them all vertically. But if we want to put an item in the center of an object, if we were to put all of them horizontally and then vertically, and we had a circle or a square here, that means this would be exactly in the center of that object, which I'll show you in a moment. So if we just go back to how they were here, now these 2 here, what they do is space equally any objects that you've got either horizontally or vertically. So if we just put these randomly sort of in different space amounts here, like so, and that one there, so we can see there's a smaller gap there, a bit bigger, and there's a wider gap there. So now if we go into OK, into select, select all, say OK, object edit, align, and then we want to have them with an equal spacing between them vertically. If we tap on here, so it's put them all with an equal spacing. So if now we align them all to the right, we'll be able to see how they've got an equal spacing, and that's the same for horizontally. So let's just do that. So tap on the mat, so let's put them this way round. So put that there, put this really close, and put that one really far. This one here, let's just delete that one off. Right, so we've got 4 here this time. So go into select, select all, OK, object edit, align, and this time we'll go horizontally. Tap on there, and it's put an equal amount of space between them all. And again, if we want to line them all up to the very top one, if we tap on here, it's put them all in line for us with an equal spacing between them. So if we go back to the main screen, and if I show you from here, if we just pick up this rounded corner square, and that's here, go into edit, object edit, we'll just make that a bit bigger, say OK, and we're just going to pick up another object. So let's go into here. I don't know, let's pick up this duck, say OK, and set it to the mat. So now let's just make that duck a little bit smaller. It's a bit big for that. This square here. Let's just make it bigger. Now, if we want to put this duck exactly in the center of this square, if we go into OK, into select, select all, say OK, object edit, align, and then we can go into centrally, horizontally, and centrally, vertically, and that is in this exactly in the center of that object. So with anything within the ScanNCut that you want to put like that in the center, a letter or a word even, that is exactly how you would do it. So let's say we want to line up 3 objects within an outer object so that they are lined up with equal spacing. So if we go into patterns, into basic shapes, just use the square this time and set it to the mat. I'm just going to make it larger, go into object edit and increase the size. Bring this down here, say OK, and then I'm just going to add another object to this mat. Let's go into, let's use this ice cream, say OK and set it to the mat. So I'm just going to reduce the size of the ice cream first and then duplicate it to have 3 ice creams. It could be more, I'm just using 3, and say OK. So we've got 3 ice creams here, but we want them 3 to be in the center of this square with equal spacing and all lined up. First of all, we need to light up one of the ice creams. So if we just toggle round, there we go. So then if we go into select, partial select, take this mat up and just go over the outer square there and from the top. So all we've got showing is the 3 ice creams. Say OK, object edit and align. First of all, we want to align them so there's equal spacing between them horizontally, so that's this one here, and then we want to actually put them straight. So let's say we want to put them straight to this bottom one here, so that's here. So from there, if we say OK and then group them, and now we want to have those ice creams exactly in the center of that square, go into OK, into select, select all this time, say OK, object edit, go into align, and this time centrally, horizontally and centrally, vertically, and that way that has now put those ice creams exactly in the center, all lined up with equal spacing between them. So if you say OK, tap on there, and that is how you would line up any letters, any objects for your projects. So let's put a word within a circle. So if we go into the shapes, just put a circle on our mat and set it to the mat. I'm just going to make that bigger first. Okay, so let's go into the alphabet. Let's just put the word art in. Okay, so we've got our word art here and we just want to bring it into the circle and line it up so we've got equal spacing between the letters horizontally and that it's lined up vertically. So first of all, go into select, partial select, and we need to move the mat over just the circle, outer circle here, so we've just got the letters showing. Go into OK, object edit and align. first of all we want to go into the horizontal spacing, vertical spacing, so that's this one here, and then we want to align them horizontally. So now they're exactly on top of each other, aligned and with equal spacing, and then we need to group those letters. So if you go into OK and group, but at this point the word art is not grouped within the circle, so if I say OK here and just move it, it'll just move off. So we need to actually group them both together. But in order to do that, so I'll just go back and show you how to put that word into the middle of that circle. So if you go into select all, say OK, object edit, alignment, horizontal and vertical, and now the word is exactly in the middle of the circle. So if you tap on the map, say OK, and we can group it from here actually, and now they are grouped. So we can move them around on our mat, on the project, and cut it wherever you want to on your cardstock. So that is how to use the alignment function in the ScanNCut. I hope this information has been of help. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.